Kurwase county ya Nyamira tuguska bosio mwanchu murigeria kuikase county eyiga ya Nairobi ni gobono homoske Fred Matiang'i uyoro mubwatani w'ikiama ya Jubilee na bwego kabaire homo waziri w'oburendi bwaime yense ya Kenya anyara ko bakago ikirana somo sangerekano bababwatani w'ikiama kirikia Wiper Patriotic Front Movement ekigya omiranari tuko ria rero ase muske Matiang'i arireira yogochia kwenekia munanachi kubwaterana na baraibande hase obomo bubu kwamerera serikali kwenekia bunamba chikuikirania hekanga yabo yokobeka oburai oboya sense asobochorio bone bole bosio mwaka bwechirubere 25 na ibere bunago tumanyo murikito Innocent Onyango
bosio bwabwatani be kiama kya Wiper Patriotic Front muske Fred Matiang'i nigo aikirana na kubwatana na baraibande ekero WBF yalikobeka lietali omurwaneli obo bw'oburai bwense.
First, let me start by congratulating you for a wonderful delegate conference you've had, and most importantly for your nomination formally now as the presidential candidate for Wiper Patriotic Front.
Ekeranyo ralibaga muske Fred Matiang'i oenekyo kwerwa kwae gochia sobo mobo bali bakwamirelia serikali waigo wateba niga gochigwanchirana lietalira sokiwe inse yo kuigwana konde wensi.
We have agreed we must put ambition and everything else before the interest of this country. When we sit together, and should the united opposition, Your Excellency, decide that you will be the candidate, I will support you. We will support you. And I believe that when that time comes, when we all sit together, consult everybody, and a method is found of identifying a candidate or one of us who will deliver and be first among equals, we should all rally behind that individual. And as I've said here openly, Your Excellency, if that person is yourself, we will support you and back you, because in any case, that's what we want.
Asateba na bekonyarekana obomobwo koira oburai bwense. Abarai baikirana ngamono muskeri Rigathi Gachagua w'ikiama gya DCP, Eugene Wamalwa w'ikiama gya DAP Kenya, Martha Karua na Biden Justin Muturi w'ikiama gya DP abo bonsi barokyo kwegena kwabo asobo mobwo bwabali bakwamirelia serikali.
Kuwa mgombezi wa urais and of flag bearer, mimi Eugene Wamalwa nitakuwa wa kwanza kumunga mkono. Na sitamunga tu mkono, nitamunga mkono na nitampigia campaign vile nilipigia Mwai Kibaki. Nitampigia campaign vile nilipigia Uhuru Kenyatta. Nitampigia campaign vile nilipigia Raila Odinga. Na huo ndio uamuzi wetu. Na sisi sote tumesema tutashikana hadi misho. We have a sacred mission to liberate our country, and for this we must be prepared.
Should the united opposition pick my twin brother as the flag bearer, I pledge to stand with him to the end. We have said that the nation is bigger than any of us. We must subordinate our ambitions for the good of the nation.
Lakini hii mpango ya Kasongo ya kujaribu kutafuta umaarufu wa kikura kupitia wale wageni itaangukia patupu. Harambee!
One time.
Harambee!
One time.
Insa kegendrete kubara abakenya nibo begeta maiso koragose abarayabu bakwamirelia serikali mbagendre koba asobwamo.
People who say that there would never be one term, let them just wait 2027 and see what will happen. It will be one term.
Kulipotelia Soko TV, lietaliane Innocent Onyango.